Hi, I'm Joan, the J in JMPO, and today I'm here to give you some tips on organizing your mail. Do you hate mail? Is dealing with incoming paperwork and mail your least favorite task? Well, you're not alone, and I'm here to give you 3 steps to make this job easier. First, a recycling bin should always be right near your mailbox or where the mail enters your house first. When you're sorting through your mail, make it easy to pick out that junk mail and just drop it in. Next, get off those junk mail lists. You can visit www.stopjunkmail.org and watch your junk mail dry up to a trickle. And last, a letter opener. This little tool makes your job so much faster. Have it in an easy-to-reach place. Slip open those envelopes and be sure to put it away in the same place every time so you can find it again. JMPO can help you with your organizing needs. Reach out to us and find out how.